Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Xfinity Stream app on your Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings. Step 1. Ensure your Chromecast device is properly connected to your TV and powered on. Step 2. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. Step 3. Download and install the Xfinity Stream app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your mobile device. Step 4. Open the Xfinity Stream app and log in using your Xfinity username and password. Step 5. Once logged in, browse for the content you want to watch, such as a live channel or on-demand show. Step 6. Tap on the content to start playing it on your mobile device. Step 7. Look for the cast icon, which looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves, typically located at the top of the screen. Step 8. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device from the list of available devices. Step 9. The content will begin streaming from your mobile device to your TV through Chromecast. Step 10. You can use your mobile device as a remote to control playback, pause, rewind, or change channels. Step 11. To stop casting, tap the cast icon again and select Disconnect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.